Kristen has an incredible picture to share with us now. What do you have here, Kristen?
This is a picture of the sunset by the Bridge 99 complex fire that's burning about 18 miles outside of Sisters, Oregon. You can see Mount Jefferson there in the distance. Sean actually took this picture, and when he tweeted it out, he was talking about how the fire looked like it was getting a lot more active, and it sure did. It really blew up today. So thanks to Sean Hartley for tweeting out this picture, this Mount Jefferson again that you can see there. And of course, that fire tripled in size just today, and that's because of how dry it is, and it's also because of how much the winds really picked up. You know, we're talking about here in the valley and in the metro area how nice it is. It's cooler out, and but out east, because of the change in the weather pattern, the winds really picked up and it got drier, and so any wildfires that were burning really took advantage of that and just started to really grow quickly. Red flag warnings in effect for parts of the Cascades, northern central Oregon too. That goes until 11 p.m. tomorrow. Dew points have really dropped down into the 30s out near Bend and 40s up near Hood River. That's how we measure how much moisture is in the air, and that is low. So that means the relative humidity is very low, and so it is going to be a tricky time for areas in central and portions of eastern Oregon, because we're going to continue with this transition, and where we had stable high pressure over us is starting to break down. And what happens is you have this river of fast moving air aloft that separates the really cold stuff to the north from the warmer stuff to the south. Well, it's been way up above us, so now it's taking that dip, it's bringing the faster winds with it, and so across central and eastern Oregon, winds are going to continue to be pretty breezy to downright windy at times for the next couple of days as we continue to transition things. And then of course what it means for us here in the metro area, temperatures going down each day. So today in the low 80s, tomorrow we're talking 70s, and then we could also be talking some rain too, especially for the second half of the weekend. So some changes moving in. Right now it's just beautiful out, temperatures in the low 80s. It feels very comfortable because of how much drier it is in the air. Temperatures, winds coming in from the north, I should say, at about 9, and temperatures will stay in the 70s as we head through 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock, slowly dropping through the evening. And then once the sun goes down, temperatures will fall pretty quickly through the 60s, and it will be a cooler start tomorrow morning. 61 degrees by 7 a.m., but we will eventually get down into the upper 50s before that sun rises tomorrow morning. So a beautiful Friday. A little cooler to start off with. It will be a cloudy start, but then we're back to the sunshine with highs in the upper 70s for the afternoon. And Saturday looks nice too. You can see things look mainly dry out there right now. Again, it won't really be until Sunday that we'll have to watch out for the rain. So here's how it'll play out. Saturday, 10 a.m. This is when we'll see some of the bigger changes. The cloud cover pushes in. The clouds linger through the day on Saturday. We may see a few showers just north of Portland too on Saturday and Saturday night. And then the clouds will really thicken up as we go into Sunday, and that's when we'll have to watch for that potential for a few showers around Sunday, and Sunday will be quite a bit cooler too, mid-70s for us. For the coast, fog, a little drizzle from time to time tomorrow. Temperatures in the low 60s there, mid-80s for the valley. It'll be beautiful. Central and eastern Oregon, a gorgeous day. Sunshine, warm and breezy, so fire danger again remaining high for the gorge. A breezy day, upper 70s at Hood River Government Camp at 67. We're cooling things off. And for the metro area, temperatures in the upper 70s, so we continue to cool things down as we go through the weekend, only in the middle and upper 70s. Sunday will be the coolest day, and then going into next week we'll stay a little unsettled Monday, Tuesday, and then we're seeing the sunshine and warming things back up again after that. Okay,
you always hear us talk about wildfires, but the one we're really watching now is the one burning in Sisters and along the Metolius there, and that's the one that's really started to grow in size now.
Right, it's near Sisters, and they've issued evacuation orders along the Metolius River for some of the private property there. Yes. So as conditions continue to be ripe for fires, we'll have to pay attention to how this fire behaves over the next few days.
Okay, thanks.